Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to bring to you this low mileage and popular Honda PCX 125. Registered the 3rd of May 2019 on a 19 plate with only 305 miles and presented in pearl cool white. The Honda PCX 125 is the first ever two-wheeler to feature a fuel-saving idle stop system. Whether you think it's a gimmick or a revolution, the fact is the PCX is a brilliant little scooter in its own right and ticks all the boxes in terms of style, performance and practicality. With a 124 kilograms wet weight, the PCX is very easy to maneuver and the handling is stable and reassuring. It's fitted with 14-inch wheels, easy-to-read digital dash, underseat storage and a 6.2-litre fuel tank capable of 97 miles per gallon, hence why this scooter is so popular with commuters and delivery drivers. This popular scooter would leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 4448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note, there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.